Good morning, welcome back to the channel. This morning you find me in Goole. Not been in Goole for quite a while, to be honest. So I'm delivering some coils to the dock, RMS Goole. And then after this we're going over to Immingham docks, which is a bit further away from base. That'll be the north installation. That's the plan so far. So it took me quite a while to get here this morning, to be fair. It took me about 2.5 hours. So that's about 30 minutes more than usual, just with traffic around North Manchester and around Bradford area on the 62. So a bit of a pain this morning, but it's fine. We're here now, and there's no rush really to get here. It's 9:15 now, and they don't like unloading people before 9 o'clock here. I've been here early before, and they don't like it. So this isn't the coils that I picked up the other day. This is a different set. It's 2 large coils and 2 small. 2 large coils and 2 small coils. So this is it straight ahead, but that's the exit, so I'll be coming out that way. It looks like there's 3 Stobarts already on site, I can see. This is the entrance here. Get in before this van. Oh no, there's not 2 trucks there. It's sorry, there's not 3 trucks. Sorry, there's 2. It's a normal truck like this. Then you've got the can't remember what you call it now, but it's a trailer. It's a class 2 and a trailer. I think we call it now. Yeah. You can see it there anyway. Yeah, so no one's been unloaded yet, so I think they only start at 9 o'clock. So I will just get this, get the curtains open, get my hard hat on, high vis, get it all unstrapped ready. Like I said, there's no rush because they'll be unloading all them first. Right, we're done. Wasn't too bad actually. It's called a wagon drag. That trailer combination, wagon and dragging. Wagon drag. So yeah, that was already loaded. So as soon as I stopped the engine, stopped the cameras, that just pulled off, and then there's just the other truck in front of that one. So yeah, we're all good. Wasn't very long at all in there. It is now 10 o'clock. So we've got the, what time did I get here? About 9:15. So 45 minutes. Not bad at all. Right, so yeah, Immingham docks. Like I say, it's Knauf insulation, or plasterboard, sorry, it'd be plasterboard. So yeah, again, it's one of them where it's a hit and miss. Sometimes I've been there and the load isn't ready and you have to wait quite a few hours, and there's literally nothing there. You can't go off site anywhere. Well, you could walk off site, but there's nothing around there. Yeah, so it's a bit of a nothing thing, really. It's just in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to go to the services and grab something to eat, or grab like a sandwich to eat later on. So we're all good. So yeah, onwards and upwards. It's going to be another hour to Immingham Dock, so it's going to be 11 o'clock by the time we get there. So we'll catch up with you soon. Right, so we're off the motorway now. Welcome back. Yeah, so I've stopped off at the services just at Doncaster, just to have a bit of something to eat, drink. There is a toilet on site at least, so, but I've gone to the toilet there. So yeah, hopefully it's ready, because it's booked in for collection at 12 o'clock, and I'm going to get there about 1:15. So if we have to wait 15 minutes, I'll be happy with that. But it's probably going to be ready. I can feel myself jinxing myself there, saying that. Right, so it's just up here, I believe. Yeah, this is next left, yeah. Just gonna have a look down the road before I commit. Yep, we're good. Yes, like I say, what we have to do, like I say, is just get through this barrier, because the gatehouse is looking at me through the cameras up ahead. And they'll just open the door and press the button. Hopefully. Back up over here somewhere out the way. Yeah, so where I turned left as I come in, I was going to walk back up to that gate, and as if I'm turning right, and see the gatehouse and see if the work is ready for me. Right, I'll speak to you in a bit. Right then, so that's all done. I am sweating cobs. And it's not as though it was like hard work. It's just the heat at the moment. 26 degrees. You stay there. You stay there. You can see me coming round. Some drivers. There we go. Right, let's get this house. Right, we're finally out of there. It's a busy junction. So yeah, back to base. And I'm going to get back to base at 3:30 as it stands. So 6 o'clock start, 3:30 finish. Not too bad. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it as a short one today, I think. Like I said, it's my lad's first day back in school today. So I don't want to mess about with cameras and stuff. I just want to get off. Yeah, take him to the park, ask him how his day, what day was and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. If you did, pop a like down there. Let me know that you're enjoying it. And we'll catch you on the next one.